Amaniba ene yensa akane se ekopiem wo East Legon ewo enkrapotem ho a jese akwansia bi asi eme nam so ma ya mienu afam ahwere mo kwa eme ne gomo aka no so eda ya lesa bia jese wo moji ayalehwe ni nya ne se the Archbishop Salifu Amoako ne mabrante wo be mfie 16 years eko 17 years no ono nam so ekotwi ka jese ekofa akwansia de ba emene e ma ya mienu atona no mo wonse do gibrem fa mfa ensem ni mo empanifo se owuro krade a enkwa enam hefa etimi ekogye enti yeda twedi ampon ne besi bia se da seda ma no bushafo a ne ade atomani twedi ampon kyekyere mo wore pa emfa ema yempa yi ana nwanom so a ne yahwere wo mo twedi ampon emfa munsi abram kokom pa yi pa na emfema ne asem esi ganafo ede mo no agu ede Archbishop Salifu Amoako so ade se omo twe na basa omo kyerem se oye penin bone pa na se papa bone pa enam nsem a ye be na nsan okogina abrochima mu na asore dem kwa kan so no ote hwe oni ka otwi bia ni won mo wala car lances e wo ho ibi na ma practical po ni bi ento no ka so otwi ka any how ope bia woni hwan se wo stop na se bia e so for lances wen ana so number plate wen obi bia la ni ho no ma obetima gya na se the lances wen na se number plate wen ono right to otwi ka any how bia wa Ghana ha ono so nsem okogina abrochima mu na so le fi e wo kan ni entama Ghana fo ka se na so fu yi ye se wudimi se abusua mu no sabi mo ade mo fele ade mo dwen so mo sikanti mo no a mo feel say ya Ghana ha mo we mo nche bele bi ase they can do whatever they want and God caught free dabi enti Ghana fo ni abre pa yi papa say e won sam okokan ye no wutimi se abusua no wutimi se hantan wo ye gotie nsam a the Archbishop Salifu Amoako ade tu dwa bra na wo abrochima na so lifie ho no ye gotie mra ye ba bongo ideas nso de nsam bi abetu dwa eda fa kwanhia ye ho media mu nsam.
Someone say hallelujah. Where did you park your car? You have moved it already. You are good. All right. If you follow American police, you will never drive. But they are always on your nerves. Amen. My country, when the police see me, they salute and they call me General Sir. General Sir. Then I'm gone. Without driver's license, I've been driving. Without car number plate, I'll be driving. Who born you by mistake to stop me? Because if you stop me, I'll call your boss. Call your boss.
Sene Ghana for the Archbishop Salifu Amoako abasa na gina nsem okokan se ono onam we otwi ka ori lances na ma practical poni bi endi Ghana for bi hu se da bi ase sofu ne peso kire mu se Ghana ha mela no ndi so aha na se bia on hye mela bi ase odwin so wo sikanti no ono onne oga so ati ase otimi ka se police ni bia ni mo betima stop aka se bia number plate we na so lances on dia na se sofu bi won ma se o kire mu a on hye mela bi ase wo Ghana ha se nti na asi no o se edita se esi entone pa Ghana for ensama omo kano no say sofo the book at nesa the him born pay or sofo antam pay pa ana oya sofo antam pay so dia na ne obakọdam we mari ari nwura cause the book at nesa na hantanti okodam nwura mu na ne agbo nwura Ghana for ensama omo kano no na ne bongo ideas so the nsem bia batudwa ade afa aye the Archbishop Salifu Amoako ne baya kwanhia akofa baya agese ama manfo ema moja ehwe agbufomi na ye beginning of 2024 afi we mu sofu kro ya ba keka nsem mission kom say afi ko na afi awie ye nipa makomakofo ebewuo ama Ghana fo mpo na adwen se bia na nado na ebewu ma ye ho ato na teba gumia na ebewu ma ye ho ato yin se eye chama huntumi yo se ho na ebewu ma ye ho ato yin yo ye se nyaza mkutrakra na nei ase commission obehye no abua fa no so ama ono nkasa ne ba 16 years ne akafa kwanhia da ba ma ni nipa makomako mienu afuma hwe mo nkwa ma na omo aka nso egu alesa bia twedi ampa mama obetima fam atona nanu mu ensie do Ghana fo nsem mo kanya na se sofo Amoako Salifu commissioner be share no nefa o mane ho na obebu fa so se da bi fa o mane ho ana se akopon no yikire wo no odada wo ana se akopon no yikire no wan kire mu ya nkire wo se na o ka se nipa fo be wi a yesu ahwe nipa fo bi anwu ye country problems here ye wo Ghana ha nipa makoma fo na ye wo problem wo Ghana ha ke adwin say bi omo na ebewu ma ye ho atoye na nso omo so tiase omo diga sika na nso oba momu no na nam no so ma nei wa hwe moja gufom eti nkwamo hye no nipa acho everything e kire sen ene Ghana fo nsem omo busa no Bongo ideas, braga bako Ghana hamempa na asem no no. De bia meka ene ukọ ne IG page a ono so de nsem bia matudwa e de afa eye sofu ensensem e na kofa bayi. Ai na meka nkemu kakra pa na me dem mo hwe screen so atim se image no e twagu pa yi. Pa menka emu nsem na memfema ewia na yatoa so e de amamo. Bongo ideas nsem a okotwe to IG ni. Same man prophesied this at the beginning of 2024. Meanwhile, it was his underage son who could drive recklessly to kill four people in East Legon. These people life don't count. Question mark. This man of God sees everything, but not their own misfortune. Stop mocking God. Bongo ideas. Hashtag. Honestly, someone now the two journey. And if I come share so free the two beginning of this year. Honestly, someone also back from fire. Who knew your screen so at the hall. And says some of Korean best and for me. Nipa for be then so back oba under age and namo so men nay nipa moja share for. Sisam come shana I hope also each day one. One when ye and answer when ye na buchiano. A munche anything. Bongo ideas in summer or the two I don't know. They go to Sama, soften the two beginning of this year. Yaba, na fire service near and also none some of the two gun. It better so at their mamma.
2024 this year, as I was ministering, the Lord told me that there is going to be, we need to pray for our leaders, because I saw 4 people departing from this earth, which are very powerful people. They are very, very powerful people, but God doesn't want me to mention names. But we need to pray and stop that occurrences. We need to pray and stop that. But there are 4 people. They are very leaders, powerful leaders. They are big people in this country. We need to pray for them so that they will not exit 2024. And also we need to pray for 4 men of God. 4 men of God. I will call them myself and I'll give them the direction, tell them what the Lord is saying, but I don't want to mention their name.
Yes, Ochaman Casas Nana Wasuma. Now, a conscience see and the fire service need to copy more on Majesty. Or no, so I didn't send me tuja. Ye conti and some fire service needed to drive a conscience, like bar. Now come head better also at their mum.
Good afternoon, followers of the Ghana National Fire Service page. This is Edwin Alex Kingnati coming to you live from East Legon, where there's been a terrible accident involving 2 vehicles and causing the vehicles to get bent beyond recognition. So as it stands now, officers are trying their best to extricate.
Four legs.
So 4 people are bent beyond recognition. Sorry for the graphic images. But I said now, our officers are trying to do their best to extricate them. Trying to do their viewer discretion is advised. Viewer discretion is strongly advised, as the people involved in the building have been bent, and the officers are doing their best to now cut and extricate them from the vehicle. The bends are very terrible, and it is very, very. Charlie, they'll call for assistance from Quebec 60. They'll call for assistance. Age. Okay. So age you wanna come out from Quebec 60 to help. But like, would you guys be able to do or you need assistance? Okay. So the 4 people are all totally bent in the car after the car had an accident. So again, viewer discretion is advised. The people are all bent beyond. So our officers are doing their best to cut and then get them out of the vehicle. So those are the bent people in the car. Looks like So we are doing our best. So those officers trying to cut to create room to be able to cut and extricate them from the rubbles. It's a very disheartening scene here at East Legon. It's the people are bent beyond recognition, and it's terrible. The one person at the back looks like a lady. So officers are doing their best to cut the car to be able to get the victims out. So frantic efforts are being made to cut and then rescue. So this one, it will just be to retrieve the body because they got trapped in the car after the car got burned. So those are human beings. Those are human beings that are bent way beyond recognition. This has been Edu Alex Kenati. We'll be back again shortly.
Reach out, Bo. Ow, oh, therefore, Ukradi and quantum in Giampa, just a Nasan Ketwakra. Hey, me Kofabia, many made in a num. Chedi ampo point from of Frey or my from when currency pan for money. A bushia and not a jar of four. A bushia and more Frey one more. Chedi ampo chum with a pan for my and pay papa. Almost on my pre-plegua Sabia and Chedi ampo and some lane. Can I form pie boy in say, Aaron, I'm a combat Tom, a humbaton. Na emle biala, I was a Ghana, embla, and dinu bialan. Yan fam dinu pay papa. If you say, and ya no ye no. 1 under age 16 years and you can so drive it. 2 over speeding just anya some kitwa kra. 3 na apa comment ko make here akwa sensem be bring Ghana from pa on born say akwa ne ho ton na mle bia la wo say face wa Ghana no o face pa ye famai o therefore asamasan ko mu ye be dan age ye ho no pon emfa omawu ni kra ensie ye pa na on fema on chiche busuafo no wo pa ye cause aw no pa ye papa na amount enye easy na kwanhia na pofrum wo ato na wawu se what me ajatuma to mu aje kra wanka bi what me ahye dworobe eya papa enti ya mabushafo nyina yako twira mpoti kire mo repa emfa ema enti unso ahwe me awutie mi no ensem bi a woka fa ensem hu no for the comment section making kind of also pa e de amount well last words bi ala wo e de ka kire enkra ye ne yo ma hwe mo nkoyi for the comment section making kind of also pa na me de ma wunye so a no wa share link no na nipa foforo nipa mpempem et manya video bi ahwe yenya hwe yie pa ye otwika o se oto obo over speed na na don so na sanhwele we akwanhye ko hia ye okokum bi bai ene no mo ayira na pa ye ti esra mo twika ya mo tom obo pa ye na mo di aye ka twie nhye bia so se na ba ye akwanhye bi se no enkoto ye ma ye ho nkoyira ye na enkofa mo bi so dofo bi nkofre ne nkwa ye sra mo pa ye enti ko TikTok, Facebook, Instagram LPZ Media bo ho se bita but mo de so be follow page no like page no comment section won so na odo agye nkyere go ma make kind of so pa na me dem wo hia me a from MC's Benford betwa opusi I LPZ Media want me ka that's a name akram